Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have Deal of the Day 12, the last days of deals of Christmas, the last days of Christmas. If you find this useful or helpful or entertaining, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. We are at 20,918, which is fantastic. Let's keep going. I appreciate it, Harbros. And let's jump in. Of course, always a reminder, today's last day, definitely plenty of time to still go. Free bucket, any purchase $30 or more, or if you're ITC, free bucket with any purchase. And of course, if you're going in today, are you picking up the 72-inch? Let me know if you are. That's wild, but that's a huge discount. And then of course, 40% off all US General, which is fantastic. And we could do a little bit of a deep dive after day 12. And then of course, tomorrow, 50% off all tarps, and then 50% off all grants, auto detailing also tomorrow. But that brings us to Deal of the Day 12, and here we are, 12 days of deals, number 12, day of Christmas. Two great deals. We have the Badland Apex 12,000 pound winch, which 12,000 pound witch, I'd buy it. 12,000 pound winch with wireless remote. I like them toxic, with synthetic rope. And then you can also do with steel rope, $180 off, normally $580, down to $399.99. And we will test that. We'll check out the price. And then also, before we look into it, 30% off all Hallmaster tie downs and elastic ropes. All Hallmaster tie downs and elastic straps. And that sounds excellent. Everyone needs some tie downs. Always use an extra tie down here and there. So 30% is really, really good. But let's start off with 56385, and to be or not to be, Badland Apex, $600 with synthetic rope and wireless remote. And this is the one. I say yes to be. And let's look at the price history. And this one has quite a bit of history. Back to April 2021. Looks like it came out at $600. Went up for a brief moment to $630, and then it's been down to $600 ever since October of 2021. So no price change here besides the sales. And we'll just look at the lowest they've been. The lowest it's been recently was back in June, down to $480. And it looks like ITC, regular coupon and regular sell, that's the lowest that it's been, at least what the tracker's tracking, down to $480. But we are seeing it down to $400. And I would be remiss if we didn't bring out the handy dandy calculator. So for 180 off of 580, 31% off. 31% off. And I want to say this is, I don't think I've seen any of the winches, even when they have a sale like this, go past, 20, 25% off. So I agree with the tracker. I agree with this deal. $180 over 30% off. Definitely a great deal on the Badland winch. We continue. 30% off all Hallmaster tie downs and elastic straps. And the only way to look at these is to see what they have available. And it looks like they have the yellow and orange straps here on top and some of the elastic straps here down here. But let's look at what they're actually offering. And we have 48 different tie downs and straps. So strap up unless you're already tied down, and let's look to see what they have available. And they're showing chain coils on here. So this is directly from Harbor Freight. So tie downs and elastic straps, which makes sense. Some of these chain coils are probably considered tie downs. So something for you to make note of. But of course, let's look at these Hallmaster 4-inch by 27-foot ratcheting cargo strap with flat hook. $50. It's a ratcheting tie down with heavy duty straps, quickly, firmly secures cargo. 15,000 pound brake strength and 5,000 pound working load. And at $50, at 30% off, probably don't need it, but you're going to save $15. Get it down to $35 for the pricey end of the Hallmaster straps and tie downs. And you have these three chains, 5/16 inch by 25-foot, 1/4 inch by 35-foot chain coil, and a 3/8 inch by 15-foot chain coil. The ones that are $45 at 30% off, going to get them for $31.50. Heavy duty chain coil has a load rating of up to 1,900 pounds. And who doesn't need a good chain coil? We keep going. Probably won't go into all of them, but here we have the Hallmaster 1,000 pound capacity, 1.5 inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie down straps, 4-pack, and at $25, 30% off, can get down to $17.50, saving about $8, which is a solid savings, especially on something that everybody should at least have some of in your garage or toolbox. Over the wheel tie down bonnets, same thing. 30% off, get it for $17.50. You have a tie down kit from Hallmaster, 42 piece, which I haven't seen before. And I like what this says, tie downs for all your lashing needs. And we know the Harbros have a lot of lashing needs, ranges from 30 pounds to 500 pounds, a little bit of everything. I didn't know they had this at 20 bucks and at 30% off, getting it down to $14. So a little bit of everything. Looks like they have elastic cords, ratcheting tie downs, some hook straps, and looks like a convenient carrying case. So good to know. And of course, multicolored elastic stretch cords, 40 piece, Hallmaster 700-pound capacity, 1¼ inch, tie down 16 feet, 2-pack, not Shakur, Diddy did it, and these at $17, you'll save about $5, over $5, get it down to $11.90. And then some of the popular ones, there's the popular tarps, and here's the popular Hallmaster camouflage tie downs, 400-pound capacity, 1 inch by 8 foot camouflage ratcheting tie downs. These are $17, but of course, at 30% off, getting it down to $11.90. That was the same math we just did, or very similar. And we have these 500-pound capacity, 1 inch by 15 foot, 4-pack, $16. And at $16, it's gonna be very similar. 30% off, get it down to $11.20. What is this? Hallmaster 31-inch EPDM tie down set, 20-pack. Tie downs won't crack like rubber. Oh, I see. EPDM tie downs, 20-pack. And these also $16, 30% off, get them for $11.20. And then we have these hefty boys, the Hallmaster 4-inch by 30 foot cargo strap with a flat hook, used with your winch tensioner to keep loads secure on your truck bed. These are $15, but at 30% off, getting down to $10.50. Good documentary, by the way, 50 Cent. And then some more camouflage, 400-pound capacity, 6 foot by 1 inch camouflage cam buckle tie downs, 4-pack, also coming at $15, 30% off, get them to $10.50. Tie downs can hold 400 pounds and keep loads stable and secure. Harbro favorite, 4-inch by 30 foot cargo strap with D-ring. Some more Hallmaster assorted length elastic stretch cords, 23 piece, 400-pound capacity, 1 inch by 15 foot ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack, $13. Couple different sizes of the EPDM tie down sets, a 5-pack and a 20-pack. The 500-pound, 1 inch by 12 foot ratcheting tie downs, 2-pack at $13. Of course, 30% off. Oh, and then some more assorted length elastic cords, 18 piece at $13. But then we have this Hallmaster 3,300-pound capacity, 2 inch by 27 foot ratcheting tie down. But the good thing is, it's on the Merry Christmas instant savings deal. So it's already 29% off. So it was $17. It's already down to $12. It should. People get angry at me when I say things stack. It should stack with the instant savings. Of course, the Harbros know this. At $12, and then an additional 30% off, get it down to $8.40, which is more than 50% off the original price. And this is only through the 26th, so of course you'll have time. But excellent deal, steal of a deal. 3,300-pound capacity, 2 inch by 27 foot ratcheting tie down. Maybe get a couple. This ratcheting tie down has durable straps to quickly and firmly secure cargo, so steal of a deal. You got some capacity cam buckles, $12. 1,467-pound capacity, very specific, 2 inch by 20 foot E-track ratcheting tie downs at $11. Some more EPDM tie downs, cam buckle tie downs, stretch cords with adjustable hooks. There is a lot. And we will again focus in on this 833 capacity, 2 inch by 20 foot ratcheting tie down, 35% off, normally $14, down to $9. But of course, with the extra 30% off, get it down to $6.30, also over 50% off with this deal. So time to pick up a couple of these also. More EPDM, E-track, bungee straps, assorted length, elastic stretch cords. I know there's a couple stretch cords bros out there. Let me know who you are. 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5 by 10 foot ratcheting tie down, $7. Hang straps, 2-pack at $7, and another of our favorite, the 3,300 33-pound capacity, 24-inch by 2-inch axle strap with D-rings, $5.99, 40% off already, so already super close to the 50% off. But we will go down $6 times 70% to give us 30% off. Get it down to $4.20, so that's over 50% off for these axle straps with D-rings. Great deal. Secure at one of the strongest points. This durable strap is built to last. Picking up a few of these. And we'll just check what's on the last page. And there's quite a bit still. Some adjustable tarpaulin tie down cords. That's long for tarps, which I just did a deep dive. And the Harbros, correct me if I'm wrong, there was one Harbro who set me straight. Back in the day, story time, back in the day, sailors used to put tar on paulines, which was another word for covers, which would make it waterproof. So they could waterproof, put those covers layered with tar on top of their cargo, so their cargo wouldn't get wet. And that's why it's called a tarpaulin. Or as the Tarp bros say, tarps. Tarp bros. What a long way we've come. Adjustable tarpaulin tie downs, 12 piece. Properly secure your tarp with these supports, super strong tie down cords. Another Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with D-ring, $6. Sorted length, elastic tie-down, 6-piece, 1-inch by 12-foot lashing straps. Also one of my favorites, 2-pack at $5. Mini elastic stretch cords in a jar, 20-piece, more assorted length cords. Soft loop tie-down straps at $4. Save $1.20. Interesting if you need it. And then we end it with another ratcheting tie-down, carabiner bungee cord, 31-inch EPDM tie down, and a 24-inch carabiner bungee cord, $2. And those are the tie downs and elastic straps. I'm surprised at the variety that we have, but let me know which ones you are interested in. There is quite a few options. Definitely stack with the instant savings. And we'll do a quick, if you haven't gone today, we'll do a quick review of the US General, and the air power and air tool drawer is included. Of course, we know the magnetic power strip is. One we had a question about, or that I had a question about, was the ultra grip flexible parts trays. Looks like they're a part of it, which is awesome. 40% off. So this one, $18. Get it down to $10.80. So that's pretty cool. Keep your tools and small pieces somewhat organized while in use. And there's a few different sizes of those. Here's the medium 10-inch, the small 10 3/4 inch, and of course the magnetic hooks. Hopefully you can snag them. But I'll leave it at that. Any of these straps that you're eyeballing, are you looking at this winch? Let me know. Or are you going out there today or tomorrow to get your detailing or your tarps supplies, or today to get your magnetic accessories or your 72-inch? Again, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Don't forget, please consider liking and or subscribing. And if you do go out there, 1, get your free bucket. 2, make sure you check your receipts. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.